Hello and welcome to D&D Properties number 26 Calanas. This property is located in the Castellan subdivision with all the other Castellan townhouses. There's some great little common areas out here behind us, the gazebo. Unfortunately, you see there's snow on the ground right now, but this tour is specifically for the inside of the building. We've got another tour of the outside you may have seen here on YouTube. As you come in, have some contemporary furnishings with nice, beautiful windows, some horse racing motif in the back, the dining room, and as you look out over the lake, let me let the camera focus out there, a great panoramic view out over the lake. We'll be back and see that in just a second. Some dining room essentials here, plenty of room for family and friends. Up-to-date contemporary look, brand new kitchen. Really well designed, I believe. Marble countertops. I think those actually are quartz countertop. A little mirrored backsplash. Have a view out over the lake while you're preparing dinner. All new Samsung appliances. Let me see if I get the glare off the window here. Samsung microwave, Samsung fridge, Samsung range for hosting the big family when you're in town here. Got a lot of people, you want to come by, this is the place. A little nook here, washer and dryer hookup already ready to go. Cute little pantry. All the fun things you would want to see. Let me step out here on the patio real quick as I unlock the door. These are a plastic screen right now. It's obviously, since there's snow on the ground, it's winter. But as you can tell, it's still a panoramic view, and it's really very nice out here. This keeps the wind off of you and holds a lot of heat from the solar radiation. Also, in case you have any questions or want to stay out here a little longer, there's a little space heater that heats the space up very quickly in probably about an hour. It'll get it up to a very toasty 70 or so, 75. It's obviously still an outdoor space, but still, it's very nice and gets very comfortable out there very quickly. When we come back in, we have a nice new Samsung TV with cable, a couple of large JBL Ridge Point speakers, nice furnishings on the wall. My lovely wife did all this stuff. Let me do a full sweep around real quick and let you see. Out the front door, large full-length mirror behind. As we come in, here's the downstairs bathroom. It's just a restroom. Does not have a shower. There's that unit, and now let's run upstairs real quick. And I mean real quick. I don't want you to have to jottle with me, but you will. Large quartz landing up here. Beautiful lighting. Been redone very recently. It's a really, really nice here. And as we come into the first bedroom, you can see the newly refurnished and renovated farm motif. And some furnishings over on that side. Large walk-in closet here. Lots of room, lots of storage. We come back out of that down the hall here to a Jack and Jill bedroom, and now you get to see me. Hi. And this is, excuse me, our recently remodeled bathroom here. The Jack and Jill side. I guess this would be the Jill side, I'm assuming. Then we go through the bathroom, the tub, and the shower, into the Jack side, or at least the master bedroom, which is a little bit larger, and does have the lake view from upstairs here. Once again, a magnificent view out over Lake DeSoto. Right across the way is the Waypoint. That's a marina, concert venue, food, drink, boat rental, kayak rental, all kinds of things. It's a great little place here. And that's all seen from upstairs inside. the master bedroom. Let me walk to this side. My wife just remodeled all this and redecorated. We've updated it significantly. We still have some things we want to update more, but we will. Large closet and great ceiling fans in every room. Tremendous deal. Tremendous winter rate. Promise you it won't stay around. It'll be a hot property come this summer. Hope we can see you at number 26 Calanas, Hot Springs Village, Arkansas, D&D Properties.